Your Ram 1500 Hemi has a tick at cold start. You want to know if you can fix it without spending $8,000 on lifters. Good news, 80% of Hemi ticks can be fixed with better maintenance. I'm going to show you 3 fixes that work. Fix number 1, upgrade your oil. Hemi lifters need high ZDDP, that's zinc dialkyl-dithiophosphate. It creates a protective film on metal parts. Most modern oils have 600 to 800 parts per million ZDDP. Your Hemi needs 1,000 to 1,200. Switch to one of these, Mobil 1 Extended Performance, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, or Amsoil Signature Series. All 3 have over 1,000 parts per million ZDDP. All 3 are full synthetic. This fixes the tick in about 60% of cases. You'll notice improvement within 2 to 3 oil changes. Cost, $65 to $80 per oil change, compared to $8,000 lifter replacement. Fix number 2, premium filter and shorter intervals. Your Hemi has MDS, that's multi-displacement system, cylinder deactivation. MDS creates fuel dilution. Fuel gets into your oil, dilutes the ZDDP. Lifters wear faster. Use a premium filter, Mobil 1 Extended Performance, Wix XP, or Royal Purple. These filter at 99% efficiency. Cheap filters only catch 85%. Change your oil every 5,000 miles, not 10,000 like the manual says. At 5,000 miles, your ZDDP is still strong. At 10,000 miles, it's depleted. This combination fixes another 20% of ticks. Fix number 3, thicker oil for high mileage. If you have over 100,000 miles and the tick persists, go thicker. Switch from 5 watt 20 to 10 watt 30, or from 5 watt 20 to 5 watt 30. Why this works? Bearing clearances widen with wear. Thicker oil fills those gaps better and cushions the lifter roller bearing. Use 10 watt 30 if over 100,000 miles, tick still present after fixes 1 and 2, and warm climate. Use 5U30 if over 75,000 miles, moderate tick, any climate. This fixes the final 10 to 15% of fixable ticks. Total success rate, combining all 3, 80%. When these fixes won't work, if your tick is loud when the engine is warm, damage is already done. The lifter roller bearing has collapsed. The cam lobe is worn. At that point, you need mechanical repair. Lifter and cam replacement, $6,000 to $8,000. How to tell the difference? Cold start tick that goes away when warm equals fixable with oil. Constant tick, even when warm, equals mechanical damage. If you catch it early, these 3 fixes work 80% of the time. Your action plan. Step 1, switch to high ZDDP synthetic oil. Mobil 1, Pennzoil Ultra, or Amsoil. Step 2, premium filter, 5,000 mile intervals. Step 3, if over 100,000 miles, consider thicker viscosity. Give it 3 oil changes, that's 15,000 miles. Most ticks improve or disappear. If tick is still loud when warm after 3 changes, it's time for a mechanic. But for 80% of Hemi owners, these fixes work. Save yourself $8,000. Fix your Hemi tick the right way.